triangle. So where's the right
triangle is this?
So the middle triangle is not. There's no indication that it's a right triangle. We don't know if that's 90 degrees, but we can see out here. This right here, this white triangle, that's a right triangle. This is a square. This is these two lines are perpendicular right here. So we can solve for this length by using these two sides as A and B because they're touching that right angle. So go ahead and try that. Go ahead and do that. So use these as A and B and solve for this length. All right. So you gotta do more than us. You know, what do you do with the 7 and the 14 then?
The north is that's here.
How
Alright, so 14 squared is 7.
Yeah, that's going to give us this one. We're just doing the same thing we've been doing. 14 squared, 7 squared.
Oh.
14 squared ends up being 196. 7 squared is 49. Add them together, and then you just take the square roots to get the final answer there. So this thing,
140. I thought you said
that'd be 245. Yeah, so this one, they already give you the lengths. The whole hard part about this one is just realizing that there's the right triangle up here to get to the answer. So you use that length. We already did the work here. Alright, and then for this bottom one, we got a 5 and a 5. You can square those two to get this missing length. 5 squared plus 5 squared equals what?
5 squared plus 5 squared?
You do 5 squared first, what's that? And then add another 5 squared to it. 50. Yeah, so 25 is 50, that's right. And can you put the chat back up there? Alright, yeah. Alright, and then we take the square root of 50. Alright, so what do you think the square root of 50 is going to be close to? What number is it going to be really close to?
10. 5.
What's 5 squared?
5 squared.
10. 5 squared is,
What you mean?
5 squared is 25, right? But what's the closest number that we're going to get to the square root of 50? Alright, so what's 6 squared?
I said 5.
What's 6 squared? 32. Alright, so that's closer than 25. What's 7 squared?
49.
7 squared is 49, so it's going to be really close to 7. Alright, so we're taking the square root of 50. If it was the square root of 49, we'd get a 7. The square root of 50 is going to be 7.1. We put it in the calculator. So those two distances are right there. Alright, and
we're gonna hold it
so on a test, they didn't give you a calculator, and they said what whole number is this closest to. You just have to think what's 5 squared, what's 6, what's 7, what's 8, and figure out which one is closest. So the closest whole number would be 7. Alright, once you have that decimal, it's no longer a whole number. But we're not worried about that just yet. I'm supposed to teach you guys, or at least review rational versus.
You want this back?
Yeah, rational versus irrational numbers, and real and natural and whole numbers, but we might not get around to that. Yeah, integers. So we can briefly go over that someday, but right now I'm just going to focus on getting through the Pythagorean theorem, volumes, and surface area. We'll see what we got time left for after that. Yeah. So we'll skip 7 for now and do number 8.
Not just now.
And there we go. Alright, space. I need you to do this one for these variables. Alright, so
We get credit for these?
yeah, they're doing it right now. Saying it out loud, getting the answers right, and they get credit. So
How much? It going to grade book?
Yeah.
What it goes?
It's the DPA and the homework piece.
I know, but if you're already doing the DPA, like at home, why?
Alright, so.
I mean, they're doing the work right now, so if you participate for every single problem, I can give you credit.
It would add and with the
You'll go for the DPA.
Are we looking for a 90-degree angle?
You get 90-degree angle here.
Alright, is it right here?
Yeah, there's one. what's the distance between the bases? Yeah, so what do we gotta do now?
90 squared.
90 squared. Alright, so distance between home plate and first is 90. This is a diamond, which is also, this one's a square. So each length is the same. So from home to first is the same as first to second, second to third. So that's 90 and this is 90. So how do we get the distance that the catcher has to throw from home to second base? How do we get that distance?
When you square 90, we divide by 2.
What's the formula that we've been using? Do you remember? Aggregated here, what's that formula? A, B, and C. Yeah. It's very, it's supposed to be easy to remember. You're gonna do A squared plus B squared equals C squared. Alright, so we gotta put in those numbers. So what is 90, this is 90, this is 90. Are those A and B or is one of those C? So, it's A and B. Wherever that right angle is, the two sides touching the right angle. So the right angle is right here between the second to first baseline and the first to home. That's the right angle. So these 90 feet are both A and B. Alright, so you get the answer. You just write 90 squared plus 90 squared equals C squared. Because that's A and B equals C squared. Right. A squared plus B squared equals C squared. Alright, so what's 9 times 9?
81,000.
Yeah, 8,100. We're gonna have, you had 2 zeros. So 9 times 9 is 81, and then there's 2 zeros that were multiplied when you do 90 times 9. So 8,100 plus 8,100, what's that?
1,600.
Well,
1,600 and 200. 16,200.
That's it, 16,200. Alright. What do you do? What's the symbol do we use? Square what? Square root. Square root of 16,200 is what C